Steve and Maggie, let's learn and play.
4, 5, 6. I win! I win!
Well done.
Hey, boys and girls, I win!
Oh no! Steve, our cake, look! It's on fire!
Our cake is burning! Oh no! Oh dear! Oh, our cake! What should we do? What should we do? Oh, Maggie, be careful! Oh, you naughty bird! Oh, Maggie, stop! Oh, what a mess! What a mess! Oh, now we have to tidy up. Oh,
Silly Steve!
Maggie!
No problem! Abracadabra!
Oh, look at our cake!
Maggie, to the rescue!
Stop, Maggie! No, we don't need that. It's not on fire.
Ooh.
It's just burnt, and that means we've got nothing to eat.
So let's make pancakes!
Great idea, Maggie. Yeah, they're quick and easy.
And delicious!
Yeah, so come on, let's make
Pancakes,
They are yummy!
pancakes,
I want one in my tummy!
pancakes.
They are yummy!
Let's make pancakes for Maggie and me.
Yeah! So, we need some flour.
And eggs!
Great, I'll get the eggs.
I'll get the flour!
Okay. Oh, Maggie. Go.
Silly Steve!
Oh, naughty bird.
Oh, no! I've got the flour!
And I've got the eggs. You've got to be careful with eggs, don't you? Oh, no. Oh, Maggie, help. Oh, Maggie. Oh, no. Oh, Maggie, I've broken all the eggs.
But look out for the flour!
The flour? Where?
Up there!
Oh, wow! That's lucky. It could have made a really big mess.
Don't worry, Steve.
Oh, no, Maggie! No! No! Look at me! Oh, Maggie! I'm covered in flour.
But I can fix it with a little Maggie magic!
Thanks, Maggie. Okay, you go that way. I'll go this way. Be careful with the flour. I'll be careful with the eggs. Oh, great. Now we're ready to make pancakes. Yeah.
Pancakes,
They are yummy!
pancakes,
I want one in my tummy!
pancakes.
They are yummy!
Let's make pancakes for Maggie and me.
Hey, Steve! I've got the milk! Yeah!
Okay, Maggie, you can pour the milk in the bowl, but be careful. Oh, Maggie! Oh, dear! I think we need some more Maggie magic, don't we, boys and girls? Oh, you naughty bird.
Ready? Abracadabra!
Oh, thanks, Maggie. Hold on. You can pour in the milk again, but this time be very careful, Maggie. Okay.
Here
Ready?
we go!
Oh,
Yeah!
a bit more, Maggie.
Okay, how's that?
Oh, come on. We need more milk.
Okay.
Yes, go.
Here
Oh,
we
yeah,
go.
you're doing well, Maggie.
Yay!
Oh, great. Yeah, okay, stop. All right, then. I think we're now ready to start cooking our pancakes. Yeah. Okay, Maggie, here's the ladle.
Ooh,
You
thank
can
you.
pour the pancake batter
Okay.
into the pan, but be careful.
we go.
Oh,
Ooh,
Maggie.
ooh.
Yeah, well done. Oh, that's super. Yeah.
Ooh.
Good. Okay, and some
More.
in this pan. Be careful, Maggie.
Here we
Be
go.
careful. Great.
Yay.
Let's have 2 scoops of batter in this pan. Oh, yeah. I love pancakes.
Yay.
Very good, Maggie. Great. Okay, now. Oh, wonderful. I love pancakes. Hey, Maggie, I think we're nearly ready to start tossing this pancake.
Yeah.
Hey, watch this, Maggie. Hey! Now let's try a big one. Ooh! Now a really big one. Yeah! Hey! Where's my pancake? Oh no! My pancake's stuck on the ceiling!
His pancake is on the ceiling, but mine is on fire! Fire! Oh! Steve! Steve!
Fire!
No!
Stand back, Maggie! Stand back! I've got this! I've got this! Be careful, Maggie! Oh, I can't see anything! Oh dear! Maggie, I've made a really big mess!
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Now I have to clean everything up and start again.
No problem. I'll fix it with Maggie magic. Abracadabra!
Whoa! Oh, great! Thanks, Maggie.
Yeah.
Now we're ready to cook pancakes again. I hope nothing goes wrong this time. Come on, let's cook.
Pancakes, they are yummy. Pancakes, I want one in my tummy. Pancakes, they are yummy. Let's make pancakes for Maggie and me.
Yeah! Great! Our pancakes are ready. Super! So, Maggie, what would you like on your pancakes? Oh, how about chocolate? Yeah! I like chocolate on pancakes.
Me too! And strawberry jam!
Oh, yes, Maggie, yeah! Strawberry jam! Or whipped cream!
Oh, worms!
Yes, Maggie! Oh, worms! Oh, don't be so silly, Maggie. Right, I'm going to get the toppings. Back in a minute.
Oh, Steve never wants worms on his pancakes, but they're delicious! Yay!
Oh, yummy, yummy! Look at these delicious pancake toppings. Where's Maggie? Where has she gone? Oh, I hope she hasn't gone to find some worms for our pancakes. No. Right, what shall I have on my first pancake? I know, jam. Yeah. Oh, the jam's not here. Did I forget the jam? I guess I did. Silly me.
Let's take the cream! Yay! Yay! Pancakes and cream!
Oh, no jam. How strange, boys and girls. Oh, and now there's no whipped cream. I'm sure the whipped cream was on the table, so it must be here somewhere. Where is that whipped cream? Oh.
Woohoo! Chocolate sauce! Yeah!
Where is it? Go! And now the chocolate's gone too. There aren't any toppings left. What's going on? Oh, it's Maggie, isn't it, boys and girls? Oh, and listen, she's eating pancakes without me. That naughty, naughty bird. Oh, Maggie, oh, you naughty, naughty.
Surprise! Your pancake is ready!
Oh, wow! Thanks, Maggie!
Yeah!
Look! Oh, a pancake for me!
Yeah!
I'm sure it's delicious!
Yes, Steve! Yeah!
Oh, Maggie! What's this?
It's a worm!
A worm?
Yeah! A jelly worm!
Oh, a jelly worm!
Just for
Oh,
you!
Maggie, you naughty, naughty bird. See you next time, boys and girls.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now. Oh, I
you
love
soon.
pancakes.
Yeah!